Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's time for another deal. And you want to know because it's always good stuff. And if you're new here, well, like I said, it's time for another deal. And everybody on your way in, like and share the video because your friends need to know too. Because we're going to save you a ton of money and get you some good stuff. If you're not subscribed and you're just stopping by, well, welcome. Look below and hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you won't have to stop by. We'll stop by and see you and give you a deal every day. And you won't miss out on anything that we do here on the channel because we're always doing some great stuff. And of course, everybody, let's do the deal for YouTube. Let's like and share the video. Leave a 3-word comment. It can be whatever you want it to be. It can be what deals you want to make, what deals you need to make. And if you need a deal for laundry detergent, let us know. Somebody will help you out. Okay? Somebody out there has got a deal just for you, not just me. That's the great thing about having all these crazy friends. Okay? So if you've got a need, whether it be for a prayer, some support, or a deal, just put it in the comments. We want to know. Alright, everybody. I'm going to do my favorite deal. And one of my favorite deals. When it comes to laundry detergent, this is definitely my favorite deal. And, it used to be because we could get paper coupons for this, but now we're getting paper coupons again for the game. But we get good digitals, and we get 5 off of 15 with this. And this product is better than Gain. If you've never used the Crazee product, this is an opportunity to try it at a really good price. And, well, I guarantee you'll like it. Makes your older clothes, especially your t-shirts, look new again. Now, we've got a $5 off when we spend $15 on Purex. Crazee, Snuggle, and all. So we've got so many ways that we can do this deal. We're going to talk about at least 4 of them. So for starters, we're going to talk about, the plain, simple deal. The deal that I'm probably going to do because I don't need anything else but the Crazee. So I'm going to pick up the $9.95, a $5.95. That puts me at $15.90. I'm going to get $7 off that transaction. That leaves me at $8.90 out of pocket, which means I'm buying one for sale and getting one for free. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yes, free stuff all day long. We've got this all for $12.95, guys. We've got a $3 earn on that all product. Now, we also have the Purex scent boosters for $4.35, and you've got a $1 earn on those. Now, you're at $17.29. You have got your $5 coming off, leaving you $12.29 walking out of the store. But then you're going to get $4 in earns back, leaving you $8.29 for both of these products. Again, that's a really good deal, and it's going to give you $4 back that you can spend on something else that you really need, like food. Next up, we've got the Crazee for $9.95 with your $2 off. A Snuggle scent booster for $6. You got a $2 earn on that, and of course your $5. Well, 7 off of $15.95 leaves you $8.95 out of pocket. And then you're going to get back your $2 earn. That leaves you $6.95 for a bottle of Crazee and some Snuggle scent boosters, okay? $6.45. Now that's a definite winner chicken dinner right there. Now let's talk about double dipping this for Saturday with a 5 off 25 scenario. You're going to pick up 2 of those $12 alls. Okay? And, on that last transaction where I had that all for $12.95, it's going to be anywhere between $12 and $12.95. It's just going to depend on the store. Because I've got one store that's $12.95, and then I have another store that's $12. So, when I was doing these, I was on different locations. So, this one is for the $12, or it's going to be $12.95, whichever one. If it's the $12.95, your out-of-pocket's going to be a little bit more. But you're going to pick up two of them. You got a $3 earn for one, and then you got $2 peelies on those. I showed you some of those the other day. There's $2 peelies on them. And then you're going to pick up the $9.95 for sale with the $2 off. You're at $33.95. Now, your 5 off is going to come off for your per sale deal, leaving you $28.95, which is important because you have to have that 25 still left over to get your 5 off of 25. So that's going to come off with your coupons, and that's going to be $9 in coupons. So you are at $19.95. And then you're going to get back a $3 earn. That puts you at $16.95 for all 3 of these products. And that's a savings, a total savings of $14, $17. Total savings of $17, guys. So that's a really good savings right there. And a lot of product. This is also another 5 off 25 scenario. You've got the all for the $12. You got a $3 earn. You've got the per sale. You're at $21.95 there. You're going to add the Dawn Power Wash to that for 5 with a $2 off. A Dunkin' coffee. Actually, you're going to get 2 Dunkin' coffees for $6.95 with a $3 off. And you're at $33.90. So at this point, you good for your other 5 off 25. $17 in coupons are going to come off, leaving you $16.90 out of pocket. Then a $3 earn is going to come back, leaving you $13.90 out of pocket for 1, 2, 3, 4 items, and they're all big items. So that's a winner deal right there. Okay, next up we've got another 5 off 25. We're going to do the all pods for $12.50 and the all liquid. And you've got a $2 earn on the pods, a $3 on the liquid. You're going to pick up the Bic Soleil razors for $6 because you got a $3 earn on that. And then you're going to pick up the $9 pack of Energizer batteries. That's the 8-pack because you've got a $4 off on that. Now, that is going to bring you to $39.50, and it's going to give you both of your 5 offs. You got $14 in coupons coming off. That's $25.50 out of pocket, and then $8 in earns. That's a final out of pocket of $17.50. That's a definite winner chicken dinner for all of these big ticket items. Now, if you just wanted to get the all detergents, then your out of pocket would be $14. I mean, there's not that much difference. It's a $3 difference, and look at all the other items that you're getting. And this is a quick pick deal for any day of the week. If you want to run in and do this one, you can pick up the per sale, a Dial body wash. You've got 2 different earns on that. One's for $1.25 on the exfoliating body wash, and for the regular body wash, make sure you scan them. You've got another $1 earn. And then you're going to pick up the Purex scent boosters for $4.35. You're at $18.30. You've got $7 in coupons coming off. That leaves you $11.30 walking out the store. Then $3 in earns is going to come back, leaving you $8.30 for your final out of pocket. And that is a definite winner. Means you're getting your Dial and your scent boosters for free. So there you go, guys. Several ways that you can do this deal. If you got more than one account, you can do it more than one way. The other thing is, there is, well, more than 2 or 3 different other ways that you can do this. You could just do the scent boosters. You could do Dial soap and Dial body wash. There's 2 urns on the Dial body wash. So maybe we'll mix and match some deals for you before the week is over with on this. So we've got several ways to do this deal, several ways to do this deal. And if you got multiple accounts, well, it's time to stock up. Save that money for your spring vacay. And, well, spring's fast approaching. We got maybe 60 more days of winter. Heavy winter, anyway. And we're going to talk about a cheap spring vacation so you guys can start getting ready for it. Things you can do for little or no money with your family or by yourself. And you know you want to know, so stay tuned. It's going to be a new segment for us. But we will have more daily deals. Got one coming up right after this one. See you there. Blessings.